Welcome to the USA News press release writing tutorial. When you sign up for your USA News account, you'll receive an email similar to this with your login credentials. Your username is always your email. We'll provide a password to you, a secure password, and then you'll just log in using this link. Later on, you can just go to USA News main site to log into your account here as needed. Once you get logged into your administration panel, you have the option to create a new press release or to edit past releases that you've saved as drafts. Since there's nothing in this panel, let's go ahead and create our first press release. You have the option of creating the new press release or to rewrite one existing release you saved as a draft. In this case, we'll choose the new press release. The best way to develop a press release and have the AI writer fully write it for you is to enter 2 to 3 sentences. I like to do about 5 sentences. So I've already kind of pre-written my sentences here for time's sake, and we're going to use an example of a unicycle product that we created. So I'm going to copy these 5 ideas for my press release, these features of this unicycle, into the press release writer. Just like that. So maybe 3 sentences, maybe 5, 10, how many you want in your press release. Then just click on Generate. The AI tool will completely write a press release, including the title, based on these ideas. So let's see what happens when this finishes. It takes just a few moments for it to process, and here we are. You have a complete title created for your press release via the AI tool. You can also change any of this you want. You can delete, you can add, whatever. All this is editable. Or if you have a pre-written release, you can go ahead and just remove this and paste your release in and save if you do not like or do not choose to have the AI writer write the press release for you. In this case, we're going to go with this release. So pretty common elements of a press release you will see is this notification that this release is to be published ASAP. You have a date and location and identification bug here that you'll always see with our USA News name in there, but always try to put your city or what demographics you represent, such as, let's say I'm in Austin, Texas, I'm local, or I want this to be worldwide. So you can choose anything you want, and of course, usually we just place the date you publish. So this will be August 4th, 2023. So you can add that in, or you can leave it out. Editorial can complete this for you. And then sometimes you'll see down here at the bottom 3 hashtags added by editorial. This is official notification. This is the end of the press release document. That's all this represents. It's the official ending of a press release. So once you have your press release developed, you can go through here and edit anything in brackets. So these are all in brackets. So be sure and put your name, contact name, title, company name, phone number, email address, or if you choose not to have some of this, delete what you prefer to delete out. Also, you can add some eye candy to your verbiage. You can also add a hyperlinks if you like. And so once you have your press release kind of additionally edited from the initial AI writing, you can then add a main graphic. Let's go here, and I've already done this, but let's upload a new graphic. Choose your graphic on your computer and upload it. Once it's uploaded in your image screen, double click it and it adds to your page here. So now you have a main image, your edited press release, how you want it edited. Oh, I think I want this title bold too, so you can bold the title. A lot of times editorial will bold things for you to make your press release look more inviting. So now we have our main title. Also, you can add multimedia. Let's say you want a video embedded into this press release. You can do that too. What you do, go to YouTube, let's say, and you find the video you want to embed within your press release. Go to the share option in YouTube and go to the embed option, and all this code we're going to copy. Just simply copy. And right here, we're just going to paste that code in, and the editorial screen knows what to do with the video and automatically places the video in. So there you go. There is your video embedded in your press release. So once you feel like your press release is finished, your draft, you can either save or submit it. But let's save, and once you save first. Let's view it. So I'm going to right click and open in a new tab. Here's the title. Here's the image. The title's embedded in the document too, because if journalists want to print your press release, you do want your title in the document as well as in the website. So, and your bug, which would have that plus USA News name here. Here's your video, which can be played. And that hyperlink we created, it will actually take you to Unicycle Heaven if it exists. So there's your completed press release. So if you're happy with your press release and everything looks good, all you have to do is then submit, or if you don't want to submit, you can save and come back later. So let's just refresh the screen. Let's see, let's get out. Let's go back to account. And then let's go here. So if you'll relog back in, here's your saved press release. All your press releases are saved here. So if you want to continue editing this press release, just go back to edit. Or if you want to delete it, you can just delete and start over. Let's go back to edit. And let's submit. Once you submit, you cannot save or edit anymore. But if you have an issue, you can contact customer service if you accidentally submitted and wanted to make changes. Editorial will work with you closely and fix any of that. So I will submit, confirm, and it's saved. Now, you go back to your admin screen and it shows the draft submitted today. Now, editorial will take this press release, clean it up, make sure it's published ready, and then you will receive an email and a clip report that your press release is completed. And the clip report you can expect to receive is going to be something like this. It will show you, number one, link where you're located, your press release is located on the USA News site, and then it goes to over 1,000 other news sites, and it has a URL for every news site you're published. So within 24 hours, you should receive your published press release email from editorial with this clip report showing all the locations you were published at on the World Wide Web. That's pretty much it. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it's been helpful. Thank you.